ki Nongtrei casual jongka school ba ha ka jilla ka North Eastern Hills University ki badan hapo kalama jongka all Nehu Workers Union ki lapelong ye ka Jing Iakhih ka ba jarjar Hakhmat ka kherdop jong ka te ka school ba harengkat da ka bara iki plakat ki balatho iki kentin Jing Dawa na ka Sorkar ban ithu no ye ki kum ki regular workers. Habakran shikilar pathai khupor presiden jongkani ka kunhun usamla Napoleon maupnyang ulaong bakat kum ka aing bakino kino ki blatrei kum ki casual palat ya ka shipos nam shaneng kilala abanyo ka Jing itu kum ki regular workers. Henry hangni ki babun ki dei ki blatrei palat ya ka life house nam ka bagi klamyo satiai ka Jing itu kum ki regular workers. Henry ki bayo ka Jing itu ki bun hi ki dei ki bru ki banabar bat ki baya itu ithau bat ki he ki han ka Nehu bat ki don kumban rius pa tam ki casual workers ki bamyo Jing itu satia.
My name is Napoleon Maupnyang. I'm the president of the All Nehu Workers Union. We are here today showing like our silent protest towards Nehu and administration. The main reason is that most of our people over here, we are casual workers. We are casual workers. What happened like till now also many of us didn't get any recognition as regular casual workers. See, like happen like in Nehu, there's so many casual workers, but some of them are getting recognized. Some are coming competition also getting recognized, but not our people. These people out here, they are being left over. So today we have no option. We are standing here today. We're showing silent protest. We cannot protest inside campus because someone is coming from outside. We respect Nehu and we respect everyone. We don't want to cause any trouble inside the campus, but we are here outside as a silent protest. And after 29 of this month, since we already submitted a memorandum last month, chat of demand to PC. After the 29th of this month, we will do the protest inside the campus, just for the regulation of all the casual workers in campus. That's one.
How many casual workers that you have not yet to recruit?
Many, as of now, we are having around more than 600. More than 600. Many of them have been working more than 30 years also. Many of them, more than 30 years. As per law, 10 years is required for them to be recognized as regular casual workers. But here, more than 30 years old, they do not get any recognition. Some of them who have money, they went to court, they got recognition. Some of them who know some officers here, they got know someone officer here in campus, so they got recognition, but not these people, but not our member, not this casual worker here. So here today we are having this silent protest to demand for regulation of all casual workers in campus.
Hakani ka ju ka sngi na kaliang ki khot ka seng KSU kilara da ka plakat bad harengkat da ka ba pertajam bandawa pentrai kamno ya ka inner line permit ka ILP ha ka jella bad persya ya ka CAA Hakhmat Myntri ka Sorkar Pdeng ubadai pet ya ka tenat pule puthi Ushri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Dawa!